Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're anything like me, then you eat rice weekly. So I want to show you this one, which is a really great option. This is the Mahatma Jasmine rice. This is a Thai fragrant long rice, and this comes in a 5-pound bag, which is great, so you can stock up a little bit. So this is such a flavorful and delicious rice. And I also appreciate that it is a non-GMO product. So this is such a nice rice because it always cooks up really, really well. Whenever I follow the instructions for the ratio of water to rice on the package, it comes out perfect every time. And I do not have a rice cooker, so I just cook it on the stove, and it always comes out great. It's not mushy, the kernels are separate, it's fluffy, and it has a really nice flavor. So I love to use this all the time for whatever rice dishes I am making, and I think it's absolutely delicious. So I would recommend it, and that's my point of view.